Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco roti. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these dry ingredients thoroughly in a bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and gradually pour in 3/4 cup of warm water. Mix until a soft dough forms, then knead it for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now that your dough has rested, divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a smooth, round ball. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin. Take 1 dough ball and roll it out into a thin 6-inch diameter disc. Repeat this process for all the dough balls. Heat a griddle or flat pan over medium-high heat. Cook each roti for about 30 seconds on each side until you see small bubbles and light brown spots appear. Don't overcook them. They should remain soft. With your fresh roti ready, it's time to prepare your taco fillings. You can use seasoned ground beef, chicken, or a delicious vegetarian mix with beans and corn. Make sure your fillings are warm and ready to go. Gently warm each cooked roti for a few seconds on the griddle if they've cooled, as this makes them more pliable for folding. Now, spoon your preferred filling into the center of each roti. Add your favorite toppings, like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, a sprinkle of cheese, or a dollop of sour cream. Your delicious homemade taco roti is now complete. Serve them immediately to enjoy the fresh, warm roti with your flavorful fillings. These are perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fun meal with friends and family. Don't hesitate to get creative with your fillings and toppings. Try different spice blends or add unique sauces to make them truly your own. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.